Nasunog pala itong si Boy 10K, mga ka-GP Natics. Dito sa isang reporter na kung saan po ay pinagpapaliwanag ito tungkol doon sa war on drugs ni Digong. Kaya po siya napunta sa dahig. Kaya siya nakulong, mga kababayan, dyan sa ICC. Oy, salamat Tita Carclea ha. Good morning JNK yan, ka-GP. Baka lahat ng dilis mukhang walang ligo. Oo. Mga kababayan, nagkanda buhol-buhol po ang dila nitong si Mr. 10K. Pasensya na kayo kung late itong nakita natin. Pero grabe po, mga ka-GP Natics, talagang nadurog ng gusto itong si Cayetano sa isang interview. Ito po, panoorin natin.
Your own reports say 3,800 people have died in anti-drug operations.
Yes.
3,800 people.
Yes.
Parang ang hina, no?
Killed by who? Police officers?
By police
who've admitted that many of those killings were false killings?
No,
that they were
that's
dressed up.
Shout out.
Absolutely not true.
Filipino police have not admitted that?
Absolutely true. Yeah.
Filipino police officers have not admitted to any false killings.
Hold on.
Your own reports say 3,800 people have died in anti-drug operations.
Yes.
3,800 people?
Yes.
You think that's fine?
Killed
by who? Police officers?
By police
who've admitted that many of those killings were false killings?
No,
that they were dressed up?
That's absolutely not true.
Filipino police have not admitted that?
Absolutely true. Yes.
Filipino police officers have not admitted to any false killings?
Absolutely. There are a couple who we call...
so they have admitted.
No, they have not admitted because they're guilty.
Okay.
No guilty guy would admit. There are a couple of policemen who were caught murdering and they're being charged by murder.
So every single one of the 3,500 people who was killed was a drug dealer?
Yes.
How do we know that?
Mga kababayan, lahat ba ng namamatay ay sinasabing drug dealer? Sabi ni Cayetano, yes. Paano mo nalaman yun?
You didn't try them, you didn't prosecute them, you didn't charge them, you shot them on sight.
Hindi nyo nga sila trinayal nung hindi nyo nga sila binigyan ng pagkakataon para magpaliwanag. Diba? Pinatay nyo na lang sila tapos sasabihin mo, yun ay mga pulis, yun ay mga drug dealer. Tama nga naman. Diba? And we are on a democratic country, mga kababayan. Dapat binibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon para ipagtanggol ang ating sarili, di ba?
That's not a democratic way of solving crime, is it?
You're absolutely saying it as if you're not on the ground. Come and look. So if I pull a gun on you here right now and you shoot me, it's your fault?
Hold on.
My fault?
No, that's not what I asked. I said 3,500 people have been killed by the police.
3,500 people.
Are they all criminal drug dealers?
Mga kababayan, sunog na sunog itong si Cayetano dito, mga kababayan, ano? Mga ka-GP Natics, Diyos ko. Pag ganito pala talaga pag mga DDS, no? Maging mga senador, maging abogado, kapag ikaw ay nagiging DDS, nagiging mahina ng utak mo. Kasi depensa ka ng depensa. Na wala na yung reasoning mo ay lumiliko na. 'Di ba? Kahit anong sabihin mo, mga kababayan, we are in a democratic country. At nagtataka tayo, mabuti nga hindi sinabi dito ng reporter na to, teka lang. 'Di ba? Sabi ninyo, lahat 'yan ay nanlaban. 'Di ba? Pero bakit yung mga ebidensya ay ilan lang, wala pang 100. Tapos yung ebidensya nyo, mga kababayan na sinasabi ay nanlaban, pare-parehas lang yung mga baril. 'Di ba? Tapos sasabihin nanlaban. How come, mga kababayan, yung baril nung namatay nung una, napunta na naman dun sa baril nung pangalawa, samantalang napatay nyo na yon. 'Di ba? Kung napatay mo na yon, therefore dapat nasa laboratory na yung baril. Bakit nagagamit pa ngayon nung pangalawang napatay ulit? Na di umano ay drug dealer daw. Ano yun, mga kababayan? Magic? Nakuha nyo na, tapos namarkahan nyo na ito ay ebidensya na nanggaling doon sa nasawi o napatay na drug dealer daw di umano. Mga kababayan, makikita mo na naman doon sa susunod na drug killer na namatay or napatay. Huwag mong sabihin mga kababayan na ito ay nagiging ano na, nagkakaroon ng replika, na nagkakaroon na ito ng kambal, mga kababayan. Ano to, kambal diwa? Di ba? Miss Mabel Quinjo? Kambal diwa? Nagre-reproduce, mga kababayan? Hindi, kung nagre-reproduce, hindi dapat nadadagdagan yung kanilang ebidensya. Hindi. Yung kanilang ebidensya, same at same pa rin ang bilang. Sa makatuwid, mga kababayan, yun ay maliwanag na planted. Diba? Oh, paano papapatunayan yan nila Cayetano? Kaya nga, lahat tayo nagtataka. Sabi nila, i-house arrest na lang si Digong for humanitarian reason. Samantalang mga kababayan, siya may kaso ng crimes against humanity. Nakakahiya si Cayetano dito.
Your own reports say 3,800 people have died in anti-drug operations.
Yes.
3,800.
Ang 3,800 sa kanila ay 3,800 lang ha. Hindi po yung 38,000. Mga kababayan, ganyan yung mga ano. 'Di ba Tita Carlea, sino yung mga nasa US dito? 'Di ba 3,800 sa kanila ay mga 3,800 sa atin 'yon.
100 people.
Yes.
You think that's fine?
What do you,
Killed by who? Police officers
By police
who've
officers.
admitted that many of those killings were false killings,
No,
that they were
not-
dressed up.
That's absolutely not true.
Filipino police have
That's
not admitted that?
absolutely true. Yes.
Filipino police officers have not admitted
No.
to any false killings.
Absolutely. There are a couple who
Hindi daw inaamin ng mga pulis, mga kababayan, na yun ay dress killing lang. Paano hindi magiging dress... Ano sinasabi ni Cayetano na hindi dress killing? Again, babalik na naman tayo dun sa usapin. Sabi mga kababayan, yung iba dito, pati yung panahon ng COVID, sabi na COVID daw. Pero kung titingnan sa autopsy, may tama ng baril sa ulo. 'Di ba? Yung pala binaril ng mga pulis. O yun ba ay mga kababayan, hindi dress killing? Dress killing yun. Kasi pinapalabas mga kababayan na namatay sa COVID. Pero may bala ng tama sa ulo. 'Di ba? Or may bala sa ulo. May tama ng baril, mga kababayan.
So they have admitted. Okay.
No, they have not admitted because they're guilty.
Okay.
No guilty guy would admit. There are a couple of policemen who were caught murdering and they're being charged by murder.
So every single one of the 3,500 people who was killed was a drug dealer.
Yes.
How do we know that? You didn't try them. You didn't prosecute them.
You don't try them? You don't prosecute them? You didn't charge them? How do you say, or how did you say that they are drug dealer? Di ba? Tama nga naman. Paano mo natanong Cayetano yung patay na? Paano niya naipaliwanag yung sarili niya na siya ay drug dealer? Di ba? You didn't try them? You didn't prosecute them? You didn't charge them. Pero sa inyo, meron na kaagad kayo, mga kababayan, na perhaps ginudge nyo na kaagad, may judgment na kayo na they are drug dealer. And paano mo masasabi? Bata, drug dealer? Mga namatay? Drug dealer? Sila Kian Santos, drug dealer?
You didn't charge them. You shot them on sight. That's not a democratic way of solving crime, is it?
You're absolutely saying it as if you're not on the ground. Come and look. So
Madali lang daw sabihin yan kasi wala ka daw doon sa ground, mga kababay, wala ka daw doon sa lugar kung saan po nangyayari ang patayan. Yun na nga kahit wala ka doon, you can assess clearly, mga kababayan, na you cannot judge that person by looking just on him na ito ay drug dealer na kaagad. Without even trying this person, without trying to prosecute this person, and without charging them. Diba? Mga kababayan, paano niya, unang-una tayo ay nasa democratic country. Hindi mo pinagpapaliwanag yung tao. So, tapos sasabihin mo, drug dealer ka agad? Pwede tayo magturo. Itong si Alan Peter Cayetano, drug dealer to, patayin na natin. Diba? Oh, tama yung sabi ni Mama Mine 59. Pwede nating sabihin si Alan Peter Cayetano, patayin natin yan. Drug dealer yan. Diba? Oh. Wala. Mga DDS talaga, mga kababayan. Pag ganito, kayang-kaya nilang baluktutin. Kaya nga, hindi na ako magtataka na si Digong ay dapat talaga para sa ICC. Hindi siya para dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi pag dito sa Pilipinas, marami silang kaalyado, marami silang pwedeng kausapin, pwede nilang itwist ang batas. Diba, Ma'am Cecil Santos? Kaya nga, Ma'am Eva Hernandez, diba? Kung sinasabi nito ni Cayetano na lahat daw po yun ay drug dealer, sama na natin yung mga 3-year-old, sama na natin yung iba pang mga kabataan na namatay, drug dealer daw. Ganon kababaw yung nito, reasoning, mga ka-GPnatics. Diba? Diyos ko. Kaya alam na natin, wag na sana natin iboto yan sa 2028. Maawa naman kayo. Oh.